Join me and let's cook and chat.
So I'm going to make gobe. I soaked my beans overnight with charcoal. Yes, the charcoal helps to take away any form of toxins from the beans. So I'm going to cook these beans for it to be very tender. It is very sad how we handle rape cases in Africa. When a woman is raped, we end up blaming her for being raped.
You will hear things like, well, why did you go to his room? You are a girl, you're a woman. Why do you have to go to where men are? Why did you wear this dress? Your dressing was too revealing. You were looking naked. That is why. Like, seriously. Does it mean, are you trying to say that if a woman is naked, then a man must go and rape or take advantage of her? I'm going to make red oil stew to add to the beans. Are you trying to say that there was this case going on in South Africa where a 7-year-old girl was raped by the principal of a school? And some people are on the internet saying that it's because the girl's dress was short. What is so attractive about a 7-year-old girl that a man will see her even naked and will feel will get aroused and refuse to use his brain to think, but would rather use his manhood to think, to take advantage of a 7-year-old girl? What is so attractive about a 7-year-old girl? There is no justification for rape. Even if a woman is totally naked on the streets, it doesn't mean you should go and take advantage of her. I am not here to promote indecent dressing. I'm here to tell you that you have no right to take advantage of a woman, rape her, or forcefully have sex with her because she's naked. And you come and justify it with the fact that she was improperly dressed. Are you trying to say that you are an animal? You don't have brains to think that you don't have to forcefully have your way with someone. Talk less of a child that we need to protect. We are rather abusing them in any form. And you come to the internet to justify it. And when you see some comment from some men, it's so disheartening. And that should tell you that women, especially our girls, are not safe around some of these men. You get angry when you hear women saying that they will choose the bear over a man. Even if it's a tiger, a woman will still choose the tiger over the gender man. Why? Because even if a tiger harms me, I know that, oh, that is the work of a tiger. It is no news. But for a man, someone created in the image of God, that is expected to protect the vulnerable, rather decide to take advantage of the vulnerable. I'm going to leave the ingredients of my drink on the screen for you. You can try, you will love it. We can't justify it in any way. I will understand if you say that a woman's dressing attracted you, but to take advantage of that, to let that attraction lead you to forcefully have your way with her, especially a minor. What is so attractive about a minor, 7 years old, who doesn't even know her left from right, whose breast has not even developed? You decide to take advantage of her and you blame it on the short skirt she was wearing, which wasn't any other dress but a prescribed uniform by the school. This is so bad. And this, even though it's South African, it is so common in Africa in so many places. Teachers taking advantage of students. Parents will take their children to school, and you know that these people, the girls, they are not well developed mentally. You either rape them or you find a way to convince them to ensure that they will have sexual relationship with you. Some of you teachers will use grades and other things to scare these young girls to have an affair with you. I know some of you will come and say that some of the students force themselves on the teachers. It is still not an excuse for you to have your way with her. You, the teacher, you are older than that student. So no matter how she throws herself at you, yours is to keep on saying no and protect her. Some of these students or these girls don't even understand their feelings and emotions. And they are just confused about how they feel and all of that. So instead of you to educate them and let them understand that it's okay to feel this way, but it doesn't mean you should let it rule you. Rather, some of you will take advantage of it, have sexual affairs with the girls. Those who refuse, you punish them for not allowing you. What is that?
Anyway, fam, I'm done preparing my beans and sauce as well as my juice and also my cookies. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed preparation day. Bye bye.